Hey everyone, in this video I'll be going over x and y intercepts and how we can use them to plot out equations on a graph. First, I wanted to go over the standard form of a linear equation and how we can use this standard form to identify them. The standard form of a linear equation is ax plus by equals c, where x and y are variables and a, b, and c are integers. A, b, and c are integers whose greatest common factor is 1, and also where a has to be greater than or equal to 0. If you can rearrange an equation into this format, then you know that you are working with a linear equation, the standard form. Say that we have the equation 3/5 x minus 2/5 y is equal to 5. Is this a linear equation? Well, we need to convert this into standard form first. We can do this by first multiplying by 5 on both sides. So if we multiply this by 5, we have 3/5 x minus 2/5 y, 5 equals 5 times 5. Well, we can use the distributive property here. So 5 times 3/5 is 3x, minus 5 times negative 2/5 is negative 2y, is equal to 25. And you can think of this equation finally as just simply 3x plus negative 2y is equal to 25. And just a reminder, I'm going to rewrite the standard form of a linear equation here, ax plus by equal to c. And as you can see, we have this equation that fits our form. And therefore 3/5 x minus 2/5 y equal to 5. That is an example of a linear equation. Let's try another example. What if we have 2xy minus 5x is equal to 6? The first thing to notice about this equation is that there are two variables attached to the 2. So 2xy can't possibly be part of an equation that has the standard form ax plus by equals c. Now let's try and graph a linear equation by finding their x and y intercepts. The y-intercept of an equation, is the y value where the line, the y value where the line intersects the x-axis. Where the line intersects the y-axis. The x-intercept is the x value where the line intersects the x-axis. I'm going to show you an example of an x and a y intercept. Say if we have the simple graph like this, and then we have a equation like this. Well, in this linear equation, we see that the line intersects the x-axis at x equal to 3, and it intersects the y-axis at y equals to negative 2. Therefore, we would call 3 to be the x-intercept and negative 2 to be the y-intercept. Let's take the example 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. And then I'll draw a simple coordinate plane here. We want to be able to find the x and y intercepts of this equation. We find the x-intercept by setting the y value to 0. If we do that, we have 3 times x plus 2, 0 is equal to 9. Then we have 3x is equal to 9, and then x is equal to 3, and that will be our x-intercept. So then what we do is we count 1, 2, 3 on the x, and we plot this point here. To find the y-intercept, we want to set the x value of the equation to 0. So then we have 3 times 0 plus 2y is equal to 9, which gives us 2y to be equal to 9, and then the y will be 4.5. So if you go back to our graph here, we want to count upwards 1, 2, 3, 4, and then halfway between the 4 and the 5. And then what we can do is we can draw a line between these points, and then we have drawn the equation 3x plus 2y on the graph. Let's say that we have the equation y is equal to 2x minus 8. Let's graph this equation by finding the x and y intercepts. In order to find the x-intercept, again, we want to first set y to be equal to 0. So we have 0 is equal to 2x minus 8. We then add 8 to each side, which then gives us 2x, or to keep the form straight, 8 is equal to 2x. And then we have x is equal to 4. And this will be our x-intercept. I'm going to graph a new coordinate plane here just so that we can plot the points. So x is equal to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for the y-intercept, we set x to be equal to 0. So let's do that. So we have y is equal to 2 times 0 minus 8, and then we have y is equal to negative 8. So then our y-intercept is negative 8, so I need to make this graph a little longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it'll be all the way down there. Move this a little bit. And so if we connect these points, we get a line like so. If this was helpful for you, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more related content. Thanks for watching.